Do you guys serve gay people like freely? Like a man who loves a man or like a woman who loves...
If you buy then you start, but we can look.
Oh no, I'm gonna buy it. But you guys like serve gay people. Cool, cool. Could I get a 6-inch Italian BMT? Can I get Swiss cheese? You guys should put like a rainbow flag in your window or something. I mean, I know, like, whatever, check with the manager, just like to show allyship. Yeah, can I get pickles? Will and Grace is a show about these two gay people. And I know the creator, so that's something like I could definitely hook you guys up with. Could I get some olive oil and vinegar? Did it work? Thanks.
Do you guys have like a reward system or a punch card?
Yeah, we have the reward cards.
So if someone is bisexual and they bring in their boyfriend or girlfriend like together, would they get 2 punches?
I've never heard of like anything like that.
Do you watch or have you ever watched Queer Eye for the Straight Guy?
Nope.
I can't watch it because it reminds me of all the men I pity in my life, so. Would you guys ever consider renaming Subway to the Love is Love Sub Shop?
I mean, if the store was mine, I would be fine with it, but...
Would you ever like have a sandwich for lesbians and like a different sandwich for gay men?
The same thing. I wish I could do that.
Would your franchise ever specifically reclaim the term like dyke or something, like a slur?
Dyke?
It's fine, I'll just skip that one. I think those are all my questions.
I wish I owned something.
Yeah, right? I know. I'm there with you.
What's the sub of the day? Oh, you don't have a sub of the day? What's your favorite one? Okay, I'll get a 6-inch tuna. And could I get it toasted as well? I actually like provolone, and also sometimes I just confuse like my gender identity with my sexuality.
I was just asking those questions actually because I have a nephew who's moving to New York and he's like gay as hell, and I'm just trying to find like safe places where he can be himself, so.
Okay, thanks. Have a nice day. Shit. Okay, I have a confession to make. I'm actually the gay one, not my nephew. I'm gay. I'm gay. I was checking for myself.